concerned court, the trial court shall conclude the proceedings. Since the suit is of the year 2005, the trial court shall conclude the proceedings with an outer limit of 6 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. It is needless to observe that the petitioner has to cooperate with the proceedings for the conclusion of the proceedings. In the event the petitioner would again display indolence, it is open to the concerned court to pass necessary orders in accordance with law. And it is made clear that any other attempt of the petitioner to challenge the said order which is dismissal for non-prosecution on his own accord will not be entertained. Since the petitioner shall appear before the concerned court on 20th of June 2025, and the trial court shall endeavor to conclude the proceedings within 6 months from 20th of June 2025. Melgade receipt tagidbidi idanna haki. Yes.
No, I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Ejectment petition.
No, I'm the petitioner. Petitioner counsel aunt is expired. And
Aunt is expired.
Yes, my lord. Petitioner counsel.
Sorry, yen beki. Stay idya.
Stay there, my lord. Stay there, my lord. Praise 1 week time, my lord. Next.
You are the tenant.
The proxy counsel in
Proxy tenant. Sorry, yes. At the request of the counsel appearing for the petitioner, list the matter after 2 weeks on Thursday, 19th. List on 19th. It is made clear no further adjournment would be granted in the matter. In the event submissions would not be made, the interim order would get automatically vacated. Yes, next.
9.
For petitioner.
Deposit 25%.
We have deposited. I produced the document, acknowledgement. Russia may kindly have it next week. We have deposited 25% of the suit claim.
Recovery of 70,000 rupees.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Kindly have it next week. I'll produce the document.
Plaintiff.
Recovery of what?
Hand loan of 50,000 rupees. Check was issued in repayment that got dishonored. Then we issued notice. No reply was sent. Then my lord, suit for recovery was filed.
It's decreed.
It is
It is
decreed.
decreed, my lords. We have deposited 25%
They
of the
admitted the
amount.
transaction, also issuing of the check. They said after bouncing of the check, I have paid cash. But there is no proof, even the legal notice. They have not.
Deposit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lords, 25% is deposited
Of what?
of the my lords, suit amount.
What is the suit amount?
Suit amount is my lords, 72,695. We have deposited.
Transaction is admitted
Admitted.
and let him withdraw it.
My lord,
ಅಷ್ಟಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ.
if your lordship,
10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
we already deposited the amount before the trial court.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು.
Your lordship may kindly have it next week so that my lords, I'll
ಎಲ್ಲ
produce.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ?
My lord,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ?
hangalla. I will, my lords,
ಫೈಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್?
my lords, I will argue the case on merits, my lords. That's the reason. Your lordship may kindly have it next week so that my lords,
When you have admitted the transaction.
my lords, we have admitted.
If you have admitted the
My lords,
transaction.
we have admitted, but we have stated that we have repaid it by way of cash, and that my lords, we have examined one witness. Of course, my lords, no document is produced except my lords, the evidence of that.
Whom did you examine?
My lords, the party, my lords,
No, whom did you examine? Your friend?
yes, my lords.
I borrowed from him and paid my.
No, my lords, we have, my lords, the petitioner examined his friend, stating that my lords, from him he has borrowed that amount. To repay that amount, my lords, therefore, the only conclusion drawn by the trial court is that my lords, no document is produced.
Correct.
Of course, my lords, evidence is there to show that,
What evidence is? ಅರೆ documental evidence ಏನಿದೆ?
At least,
my lords,
Deposition.
my lords, after repayment of the amount, they have not repaid, my lords, returned the check. That's our contention.
Hello, why?
ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. My
Check
lords,
ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
we are,
On the basis of check, we have filed the suit.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
my lords, lordship may kindly have it next week.
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾನು I will,
10 ವರ್ಷ 75,000 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lords, I will
This is
try
not
to
correct.
convince your lordship.
What
Otherwise,
will convince? I am
Legal
not
notice
convinced even
next-
to its semblance.
my lords, next Thursday, next Thursday.
ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lords, I will try to convince, otherwise,
72,000.
Legal notice, written lawyer notice ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ, they have kept quiet. At least if it is a false claim, one reply should have been issued.
That's a
This
kindly have
observation.
next week, so that,
ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
We'll, next week ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dismissed, definitely. There is nothing in this as of now. Yes. List the matter at the request of the Land Council appealing for the petition, list the matter on 12th. It is made clear no further adjournment would be granted in the matter. Deposit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Council of the petition submits that
25%
25% amount has been deposited in terms of the order of the court and acknowledgement is already filed.
Acknowledgement is not yet filed, my lords. I'll file
And
the
will file the acknowledgement in the course of the day.
My lords, I've got only the copy because it is,
Print ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ sir.
Ratkins.
ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ. Yes.
10.
I appear for the respondent, my lord. Possession is taken in execution petition on 14/1/2020.
ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
We have taken possession 14/1/2020 in
So
execution.
nothing survives. Nothing survives.
Nothing survived.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅವರು.
Last time ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ?
11.
Petitioners, Mr. Madam. Lords, petitioner had filed a suit for partition, lords. And subsequently, the respondents were appeared present before the court and again they did not contest the matter. Now he has filed a miscellaneous petition and now the miscellaneous petition is allowed.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Same, lords, it was decreed on,
ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫೆಂಡೆಂಟ್.
yes, my lord.
ಹಾ,
No, I am the plaintiff, my
you are
lord.
the plaintiff.
I am the plaintiff. Suit was decreed. Suit for partition was decreed.
against that
Against that, they have filed a miscellaneous petition on
ಅದು
22/11/2019.
ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
Our contest Madila, and he was very much present. The findings given by the trial court, his notice was served. My lords,
So
kindly.
what does the trial court do?
Now the trial court,
ಸೂಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ.
restore ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು?
First respondent, my lords. Other respondents were placed ex parte. Only notice may be issued to him and further proceedings may be stayed.
have been stayed, is it? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಎಂ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್. 11 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
11 lords.
ಓ 11, ಸಾರಿ.
My name may be shown, my lords, my lords.
Registry to print the name of
S.A. Sudhindra,
S.A. Sudhindra in place of S.N. Ashwath Narayan.
please, my lords.